Hello, good morning. Once again, I make this video for for me to see when I go back home here in Galilee. It's in front of our hotel where we stay. Look how beautiful this place is. Look, there's a house is there. There's the houses over there. So you can see it. And the mountain. If I'm not wrong, yesterday we passed by the Mount of Tiberias, one of the highest mountain here. See, the mountain has its caves. There is mountain. There's a lot of things to do here, to explore the place where Jesus walked. Sorry. See, I want to close up this mountain. The house is over there. You know this mountain, we saw it yesterday. There's a big cave. That hole is a cave. This is the Sea of Galilee. Yesterday we went to voting. And later on we walked there, on the seaside. That's it. Oh, so beautiful, really. The atmosphere here is so quiet, you know? Peaceful. Hmm. Look. If you see this video, dream. Pangarapin mo na makarating sa lugar na ito. So blessed, really blessed. Oh. What a blessing to come in this place. No man you can buy actually. This is for now. Thank you so much. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord, give me a chance to come here.